cut it and put it at the beginning. Watch our new film. There you go. Now back to the end.
Yeah. Okay. That's a weird start.
It's a weird start, isn't it?
So just gotta make sure.
Are we live yet?
No, this bit won't be in there. Don't worry.
People realise what goes into these videos. Under the arm?
Under the arm.
Ah!
Sorry.
Well, don't you want to be in for it?
No, I've had enough of it. I told you I didn't want to give it away.
Live, not live. That's the thing with this. Live and not live. Are they going to know this bit isn't live? This bit's not live because I'm not here. You're seeing me here, but I'm actually on the keyboard. Oh, how many people viewing? Like that?
5.
No, it's more than that.
5 people.
6. 4. What's happened? We've lost 2 viewers. See, this is live, not live.
Watch what happens when I come in.
How can you be there and at the keyboard at the same time?
The viewer numbers jump as soon as I get in here.
Well, let's have a watch. What's happening with the viewing figures right now?
Massive spike.
I've learned a lot about a month with a GoPro.
Have you?
Yeah. I could probably list how many things I've learned. 5. Top 5 things I've learned. That would make a video all by. Oh, we did that.
That was 10 things, and if no one actually noticed yet that there was only actually 9 things in the 10 things that's supposed to be.
Nobody has, because normally you get trolled straight away.
I get trolled. What's the first thing you learn?
So that's it. Now I'm on the spot. I should have thought about it more. First thing I've learned about the GoPro Hero 7 is on a worldwide survey conducted by Ingaf.
Yeah. Did you do a worldwide survey?
Yeah, worldwide survey. Normally costs thousands and thousands to do.
Wow. Okay.
Hundreds of thousands. I sound like Trump now. Many thousands. On a worldwide survey is more popular than the Canon 200D.
Why? That's how have you come to that conclusion?
Because 23,000 entries versus last month's.
So because more people wanted to win it,
yeah.
It's better.
Yeah. So this is factually better.
Right. Okay. What's the second thing you learned?
Always check your surroundings because this tiny little camera could be hidden anywhere. So when entering a room, like the toilet, just make sure there's not because that could.
Yeah.
It does.
It's caught you out a couple of times, hasn't it?
It has happened.
There's been a few. It's been too graphic to show on here.
But I mean,
who would have thought that Jam could get that high up on the walls?
We'll leave the card in there for the winner, and you'll get to see Toilet Cam in full glory.
Maybe not use the word glory.
You can watch that if you want.
It's the glory hole cam.
Now we're going to have to do some cuts now. I wanted it to be seamless.
Seamless.
Number 3. Do you want to pick the third?
Well, before you finish this, should we announce the winner now? Or do we wait?
No, because they're all hyped. They're excited for the winner. They're excited for the winner.
But that's the only reason they've tuned in, isn't it, really?
I'm in the comments still. Real time now. Real time, I'm in the comments.
What did you think? I mean, the comments will be over here, I think.
Yeah, so you're watching the video, comments are over there. Oh, typing. Who's going to put the next comment in? Oh, I want it, pick me. I've already picked the winner. Stop saying pick me.
No, you can't tell them that we've picked the winner yet. It's a surprise still, because this is live.
It's live.
Not live.
Live in the comments. We're live, 100% live in the comments, not here.
Live, not live.
Number 3.
Yeah.
Someone's guessing what number 3 is right now in the comments, I would have said. Are they? Yes, they are.
Wow. And what do you think of that? Do you agree?
It's a good point you've made, but it's wrong.
Oh.
Number 3 is amazing for Nerf. If you've got a gun, maybe if you won this, what you would do with it is strap it on top of a Nerf gun.
Are you talking about that time you shot me in the face?
Yeah. Number 3.
You had I've got an idea for a video. Sit down there, and the whole video was just you shooting me in the face. That was the whole point of it.
I've had 3. 2 more.
Office Olympics.
Oh,
that's my favourite moment.
I mean, it's taking off. It's slow.
Well, it's an action camera, isn't it?
I thought it would have been bigger demand by now.
When they first did the Olympics, not many people watched. It's the same as that.
5th.
It's good for playing catch. That hyper smooth stabilisation makes it look like the camera's just like floating through the air.
Buttery. That's the word I like for it. Buttery smooth.
It is actually pretty amazing. Yeah. Oh, this was the Office Olympics.
This is another thing that you'll win.
Yeah.
Looks like something you'll find in the underwear drawer. And that's fresh from AJ crutch cam.
Yeah, whoever wins this, like we don't know because this is live, not live. Are you supposed to put it on your head?
Yeah.
Your head's going to smell like my crotch now.
Good point.
Give it a sniff. Why do you keep sniffing it?
And some stuff.
Whoever wins it, make sure you either frame it if you're like a really big fan.
If you're a big fan, you would definitely want to frame it. We could sign it.
Yeah.
Well, there's some markings on it already.
Oh,
it's kind of signed.
It's DNA signed.
It's great.
So make sure you disinfect or burn this.
Burn.
Burn.
Or frame.
Or sniff.
Yeah. No, not again.
Okay.
Not forgetting SLR Hut, who, had they not come on board, we wouldn't be giving away the GoPro Hero 7. Leave that out. Leave that out, because that's probably, for some people, this obviously...
The highlight.
This is what you're interested in.
I mean, comment now if you really just want the crotch strap.
It's kind of like two prizes in one.
In fact,
some supplementaries.
I think this is such a big prize that I can probably just keep this now.
It's interesting that you've not put that in the box.
But not put what in the box?
Should we get on to who's won? Because
won this box?
We've been doing this video, there's all sorts going on in the comments. People are just like, oh, so who? I mean, are they?
Get on with it already.
Oh, well, there's some interesting conversations over there.
That's a bit rude.
Interesting.
So, do you want to put a drum roll in? Press the drum roll button.
3 taps, wasn't it?
What, like Wizard of Oz?
Yeah.
Ooh. That's good.
Thank you.
Okay, it's exciting.
You can do it if you want.
The winner of our February GoPro Hero 7 Black giveaway is going to be announced shortly.
Hit the roll, hit the roll.
They're going to be the lucky winner of the crotch strap.
Look at the comments.
Is it you? No, it's not that one. Oh.
One of them.
I mean, before we carry on.
Possibly.
Before we carry on, do we have to, do you reckon I can just keep it?
Let's just go to an interlude a second, I'll come back.
Right, okay.
Go back to the video. Drum roll.
That didn't work. Nope.
How come the first time it worked straight away?
Try it quicker. That's jazz. Change the station. There we go. And the winner of the InGaff subscriber giveaway, February 2019, even though it's March now, let's not get it confused.
Yeah, we should do the brought to you by SLR Hut.
That's the plug bit, yeah.
That's the radio voice.
Radio voice. You want to do it in a radio voice?
Yeah, that was my radio voice.
Was it?
I think we should speak to SLR Hut though and go, what about all the people that didn't win? Can we have a special something for them? We should. We probably shouldn't say that in the video. We'll try and do something.
Do something next month.
Do something. We'll do something so everyone's a winner. We'll do that for you.
They just want to know who the winner is now.
Let's bring it back in.
It's jazz again.
Ah!
That's better. Feel the tension, guys. This time.
Yeah.
This time it's happening.
Do it. Do it.
And the winner of the InGaff and SLR Hut February 2019 GoPro Hero 7 Black giveaway.
That was good.
Thanks. Is someone that entered the competition in the past 4 weeks and did some of the actions that were listed on the website, like subscribe or tweet. 1 in 23,000 entries is gonna be really happy with their prize. They're gonna love it. They're gonna have to disinfect this. I can't really get much higher.
Okay, just tell them.
And it is.
In the comments right now, it's on fire.
Are you ready? This time is going to happen.
Go.
Mark Holtz from Canada!
Oh. Sorry, everyone else. Mark's celebrating. Mark's going crazy. Calm down, Mark. Look at everyone else. They're crying.
Oh.
Don't celebrate too loud. Sorry, everyone else. In the comments, sorry you guys.
Sorry
to some of the other people. There's just one. Mark.
You won.
Mark Holtz.
Mark Holtz.
Mark Holtz.
Thing is, we drew the competition, had a look at his YouTube channel.
Mark, I've got to say something to you, and everyone else in the comments.
Go watch Mark's channel first.
Go check out Mark's channel. Mark is very good, but what's with all the old lenses?
The old stuff.
To be honest, You've got to have it now. It's probably the newest thing that you've bought. It's certainly the newest glass. Come on.
It's like he just goes to second-hand shops and buys.
To everyone else, go and watch it. Vintage lenses, amazing videos, and what he turns out with those lenses, incredible.
Yeah, I mean,
it's definitely the best. Maybe not the best, but it's definitely the newest thing that he's going to put on his shelf.
You better use it, Mark.
Mark, we're going to put a little gift in there for you.
A little message.
Special message.
To everyone else that entered, thank you for entering. Thank you for being here. We hope you stick around. There will be more subscriber giveaways in the future.
View counts dropping. Be quick.
Be quick. Be sure to watch our other videos where we try to make of ourselves for you with cameras.
Can't say
I'll bleep it out. And occasionally we review stuff as well. I almost swore then as well. Yeah. And there'll be other, you know, for those that wanted the crotch strap that smells of me and have got my DNA on it, there'll be others in the future. So just stick around and share the love. And for those of you that are still here right now that haven't just switched off as soon as it was announced, if you could do us one other big favour.
What's that?
To watch our new short film.
That's huge. We should have started with that.
We should have started with that.
Cut it and put it at the beginning. Watch our new film. There you go. Now back to the end.
Yeah. Okay. That's a weird start.
It's a weird start, isn't it?
Yeah, watch our new short film. It's 2 minutes long, so if you can spare us 2 minutes, it'd be massive. We're incredibly proud of it, and it's for the Moment Invitational Film Festival. It's called What is Success? And we want to do more of them in the future, so if you can go there, let us know what you think, and if you'd like more of those short films occasionally from us, yeah, that would be huge.
Massive. I'll tell you two favours. Do that.
All right.
If you like it,
yeah,
comment and share it.
Oh, share
it. That would be massive. That'd be massive to us.
I guess until the next time.
End it. Signature style. We're still in the comments, by the way. That's live.
Yeah.
That's live.
So this was us live, not live, kind of live, a little bit live. In fact, we recorded it and now we're just sitting in the comments hoping that you're still here. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.
Congratulations and thank you for entering.
See you next time.
Do you want to do my signature ending?
I don't listen to it, to be honest. I've normally shut off by that point. I'm just ready to turn the cameras off, shut down the audio, lights off, go home.
How do you think I end it then?
That's been my GoPro Hero 7 giveaway. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
He put the wink in.
Yeah.
Wink gate.
That's it. I'm done.
Yeah.
I'm done. We're still there, by the way. We're still there.
Why do you keep
doing it? Why do you keep passing it to me?